Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Knife Mini Buster designed by Snacks here with me for a maintenance video. This is an amazing one, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get started because this is a really cool one, guys. The action is already fantastic. Let's see if we can improve it. I doubt it because it's already so smooth. And let's see. We are going to need what? A T8, I think, for everything. T8 for the pivot and T8 for that only screw right over there. How cool is that? Very simple construction. This shouldn't take long. It is a pleasure to disassemble something like that and to see how it's done on the inside, because this is beautifully milled, I am telling you. I mean, there's some simple milling going on, nothing crazy, but I like it. So when you just do this, don't jam anything, just use something plastic, push it out, and that's done. So very straightforward. This assembly over here, let's just open this guy up. Multi-row ceramic bearings in the house. How cool is that, guys? We're gonna take one of these alcohol swabs to clean the guts of this knife right over here. Okay, and let's see. Multi-row ceramic bearings. Look at that. That's something that Shirogorov is using, not exactly like this, but they have loose bearings. But see, multi-rows. They use in the custom division roller bearings, and they use in the production division, let's say, the multi-row bearings to differentiate from the single row bearings used in the, let's say, lesser models. But this is something really cool, and it gives this knife like really stupidly good and stupidly smooth action. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Also, what is crazy is this detent over here. Look at this. It's a cylinder with a ball. See? Like that. That's the same chunk. So there's no screw. It is brilliant. It's like a little bit like the Sebenza 31 with a ceramic detent ball and ceramic interface, ceramic ball interface. As there's no like how to say, like there's no, maybe this guy is coming out, I think so, let's see. There is no, yeah, there's no stainless steel lock face insert because of that reason. So they already are interfacing with some ceramic, the lock face, so there's no need for that. But from the outside, it looks like they're using like an insert, but it's like a ball. And this gives, there's no need for any detent ball ramp, because this is a ball which is up against the tang of the blade. And it is, I mean, so clever solution, guys. I really appreciate that. And look at the level of skeletonization going on the inside, by the way. It's fantastic. We knocked it out of the park with this one. I'm truly impressed. I really like the design, the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. So let's see if we can. And look at how it's milled. The backspacer. It's a centering backspacer, which is good, and it has already these protuberances, let's call it that way, these bulging parts, which are gonna go directly into these. So it's self-centering for the blade. There's also like a floating pin here to screw in, of course, the handle screws. All right, integrated lanyard hole. Just this piece here, it's a sculpture. It's beautiful. It has a two-tone finish. You see, it's satin on this side. I mean, guys, this is really, really cool. And nice stop pin right over here. Let's just make sure we take out this. I want to clean, give like this a thorough cleaning for sure. This is a good one. So I like to do this kind of treatment to my knives, especially before I'm reviewing them. So you might see these videos after the review, but just keep in mind that I do this to all my knives because I prefer to have them in like in ideal condition. Oh, look at this. Some interesting gunk. Very interesting. Wow. We need to scrape this out, actually. What is this? I don't know. So I like to have my knives cleaned out and tuned up before I review them because I want to give them, you know, the best score. Let's say I like to do positive reviews, of course, and I want these to be at its best, so to speak. So I'm doing this treatment, so I'm tuning it up so to have the best version, let's say, of this knife to review. So let's this is done, guys. Let's put it back together. Beautiful, guys. This is, let's just take a second to check the internal milling. This is a lot of work, guys. This is nicely done, nicely designed, nicely engineered. And so you just see this goes in place and stays like there. Beautiful. It's beautiful. This guy goes in. This guy goes in. And let's see. Only thing is that the pivot is not D-shaped, so it's spinning. But it's a minor thing. I mean, we cannot really complain about that. So let's just do like this. Bearings are in. Nano oil, 10 weight. We're gonna just do like 3 drops like so. And that is good. And then blade is in. And then we've got this guy. And let's just do it here. So another 1, 2, and 3. And you know what? Let's do it here because we have it here. So you can see that I'm gonna do some heavier weight. This is the 85 weight nano oil. Just like so. Just a little tiny, yeah, little tiny drop on the detent ball of a heavier weight. No, not a biggie. We can just do that. And here it's actually not that clean. Okay. And boom, that is in. Checking that everything is lined up. And we're going to do this handle screw here first. And that is in. Of course it's spinning. And this guy is pinched, keep it pinched together. Like so. Very good. And then you can get some blue Loctite for your pivot screw, like so. And just coat the thread like that. See, not too much. Flip the knife, and this guy goes in like that. So that is in, and we can check for blade centering, which is super off center. So we're just going to, oh yeah, look at that, guys. Oh, guys, I don't know how to explain or describe the action on this guy. Dead center. It's smooth. The sound is beautifully dampened. Very quiet in the closing sound. It's gorgeous, guys. Love it. Let me see if I can just undo just a little bit. Stay centered. Maybe to have it a little bit more drop shotty. Let's see, maybe we can do a little bit more. No, it's off center. So this is one of those that, like so. Yeah, it needs to stay like that. Exactly. No blade play. Super smooth. Oof, this is a beautiful one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.